In a bold daylight robbery, five armed and masked dacoits looted jewelry worth nearly 4.5 crore rupees from Sky Gold and Diamonds showroom near the Hunsur bus stand in Mysuru on Sunday afternoon. The incident took place between 1:30 p.m. and 2 p.m. when the gang arrived on motorcycles and stormed into the showroom brandishing firearms. To create panic and overpower those present, the robbers fired shots inside the store. The showroom manager Azhar was reportedly targeted during the firing but escaped unhurt. Within a span of less than 10 minutes, the gang smashed display counters and made away with around 5 kilograms of gold and diamond ornaments. Eyewitnesses stated that the assailants were speaking in Hindi and carried guns in both hands to prevent resistance. As they fled the scene on motorcycles, the robbers fired a shot in the air to stop locals from pursuing them. In the rush, one of the gang members dropped his helmet, which police believe could provide vital forensic clues. A case has been registered and multiple teams have been formed to trace the accused using CCTV footage and forensic evidence.